Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with hashtag 30 weeks of a pocket letter. And this is week 8. And I decided to celebrate Christmas in July, which is kind of weird to me, but whatever. Which is, I guess, July 25th. So, I did a little pocket letter with Santa enjoying his vacation on the beach. And he's got some elves with him. He's got some snowman or sandman and some flamingos. So I'm here to share. Got this little dude. It's a sand snowman, and it says, "In the beach we can build a snowman." It did say in the middle, so I put beach because he's in the beach. On the beach, get it? Then we have Santa. Ho ho ho! He's in his little bathing shorts and has a drink. Then we have an elf over here, and it says, "Dear Santa, I have done my best." He fell in making a sand castle while his feet are sticking up. Over here, it's just a little palm tree decorated. It says, "Christmas in July." A palm tree with some gifts in it. Then we have "Be Jolly in July." It's Santa surfing. If you're wondering where I got these images, I found them on Google Images. I went Google or Christmas in July clip art. And over here it's a flamingo. It says, "I'm dreaming of a pink Christmas." And she got a little hat on, and then you have the sun. Palm tree with some gifts underneath, and I decorated it. And then we have Santa over here in his Hawaiian shirt having another drink. Of course, he always has to have his hat. And it says Christmas in July. So there we go. And of course, I always do both sides. So I turn it over. This side I actually did Christmas. And it's just simple. These little triangles you're seeing are actually made for a printout I had that you put on top of dominoes. And I thought I'd use them just like this for a change. And we got Santa. And I put some washi tape going all the way down to the same print. We got Santa with a candy cane. It says ho ho ho. Got a little stocking. A gift. And over here it's the candle, a little elf, and a snow globe, and it says "Capture the Spirit." This one just says "Merry Christmas." Santa with some gifts, and a candy cane, an ornament, and a snowflake. Over here is like a tree with some Christmas bulbs. It says "Joyful Tidings." Just got some little stickers. And here it's a Christmas tree with Santa. Merry Christmas. Got some Christmas tree, holly, and some gum or peppermint. It says "Capture the Magic of Christmas." Got the Christmas tree, some gifts, a little elf, and then stocking. And then we have Santa over here with a reindeer, and it says "Merry Christmas." And I got a little reindeer and some cinnamon or peppermint. No, I don't keep thinking cinnamon. And I tell you, this poor elf, he just can't make it work because now he's stuck in a snowbank. And it says "Santa elves" right there, and some snow going around a Christmas tree. Oh, why did I have... Uh-oh. I don't believe it, I just discovered. I did this one backwards, so I'll have to fix this. So I'll show it like this. When you turn it over, it's upside down. My bad. I'll fix it, but we'll put it back in here so it looks right. Oopsie daisy! Hey, people make mistakes. So then we have Santa. And it says "I believe in Santa," and he's coming up the chimney. You got the little elf, the candy canes, and the peppermint, and little gingerbread people. So, let's see. There we go. So that is the back side. When you put it down, it looks like that. Oh, oh God. Show you the front side, but I got to turn the card. And you turn it like that, and this is the top row again, real quick. And that's how it looks. So this is week number 8 of hashtag 30 pocket letters. I'm having like fun with this. Like do a theme, like this week was Christmas, and you know, it's just, I love doing them. They're fun, they're easy. You can get very creative, as you can see from previous ones that I've done. So I want to take the time to thank everybody that's been watching these videos. What else was I say? If you'd like to join in the fun, all you do is have to create a pocket letter and share it on Wednesdays afternoons. So as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.